when I was in prison yung nakulong ako, meron akong gi-request sa family ko, and ang gi-request ko is speaker with music. And then, hindi man pwede magdala ng cellphone, so gilagyan na nila, gidownloadan na nila ng music. Creative kayo akong stepbrother, si Josh, kay gilagyan niya ng Bob Marley na music, and didn't expect by kung ano mga songs mag-pop out nun. And ang lumabas, ang first song pa talaga pagdating ng speaker by, nasa prisuhan kami nun, napaluha talaga ako by kay Steer It Up by Bob Marley. So I will play this song by na nandito na ako nakalaya. And this reminds me by na ang music na tong kanta na Steer It Up is a reflection of, parang steer it up. Ang emotions natin mag-change by, pwede tayo maging positive, pwede tayo maging negative.